Kill the bill. Elon Musk ramps up attack on Trump's spending bill days after departing his position with the U.S. administration. Tesla CEO Elon Musk unleashed yet another assault on U.S. President Donald Trump's flagship spending legislation, urging Americans to lobby Congress to kill the bill. He also warned that it could hasten the nation's slide toward financial ruin. In a post on X, Musk stated, "Call your senator, call your congressman, bankrupting America is not okay. Kill the bill. Call your senator, call your congressman, bankrupting America is not okay, kill the bill." Elon Musk June 4, 2025. Earlier, Musk intensified his criticism, warning that America is hurtling towards debt bondage and calling for a complete overhaul of the laws. A new spending bill should be drafted that doesn't massively grow the deficit and increase the debt ceiling by $5 trillion, he demanded. A new spending bill should be drafted that doesn't massively grow the deficit and increase the debt ceiling by $5 trillion. Elon Musk June 4, 2025. SpaceX founder served 130 days as a special government employee at the helm of the Department of Government Efficiency DOGE, with a mandate to eliminate what he characterized as bloated government programs. However, his departure last week sparked a wave of criticism aimed at the administration he once supported. In another post shared on X, Musk stated, "This spending bill contains the largest increase in the debt ceiling in U.S. history. It is the debt slavery bill." Musk's intervention comes at a crucial time for Trump's ambitious plan, which includes massive tax cuts and increased military spending. The bill narrowly passed the House of Representatives last month, with just 3 Republican dissenters opposing the solid Democratic opposition. Musk's pledge to fire politicians who betray the American people in the upcoming midterms has sent shockwaves through the Republican Party. With his massive campaign investments, Musk's disapproval could jeopardize incumbents' re-election bids and threaten GOP control of Congress. The White House has responded to Musk's insurrection with marked restraint. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt indicated that Trump is already aware of Musk's stance, declaring this is one big, beautiful bill, and he's sticking to it. Swipe left for next video. Trump aims to finalize the legislation, which includes a $4 trillion increase in the U.S. borrowing limit, by July 4. U.S. Treasury advisors warn that the country could face its first-ever sovereign debt default if the hike isn't passed by August. Latest blogs.